Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the Royal Quiet Deluxe here, and been working on this a couple hours now. Just wanted to make sure I could resolve the main issues that I had, which were pretty severe actually. The margin setup was all messed up like I've never seen. But now we're going to tackle something that should be pretty easy. Type bar sticking up. And then after I fix that, I'm going to clean it. You can see how dirty this thing is one of the dirtiest machines. And I just got the segment. Well, I was going to say I got it unstuck, but it's still sticking obviously. But I still have a lot of follow through to do because all I did was soak this. So these are usually links bent. You can see the link down there is good. That one usually doesn't bend. Usually that link will break down there. So we need to go a little further, and you can see it right there, that one bent in the light. That should be straight, that one down there. So the matter is how to get to it. I'm pretty sure that's the A link, but they are pretty tucked in here. There it is right there, you can see it bent. So let's just see if I can get something in here and force that over. So there's the link. I'm just going to use the leverage right here and push this. Well, that straightened out pretty easy. Okay, so that's at least closer. Probably definitely acceptable. And looks like it is. Yep, everything should be fine. Alright, that's how you do sometimes when type bars stick up. They got bent links somewhere along the line. Oh, look at that. I got the margin to come all the way over this time. That's the trouble. I couldn't get it. It was all... There were parts missing on this. The rack was loosened beneath. This lever was binding. The release lever was binding. I had to tighten the spring. It's still not feeling quite right, but I still have a lot of cleaning to do. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.